far as the parts, this is my lip that I got. I like that a lot. And then this is the bottom skid plate to my car. I just gotta put that piece back on. And this is the car, how it sits as of right now. It look good. I gotta show y'all my lights too. I'll be in a video before this one. I gotta show y'all my lights at nighttime. I'm gonna record that tonight. But this is 2 days later where we put something on the car. I'll stay tuned for the video. Actually, I won't. Okay, one screw out. I gotta get my screwdriver and take this one. Oh, I thought I just had it through. See, if you get up under here with me, I got both of my 2 skid plates on, and I just gotta put this one on and put the screws in on both sides. Then we should be good. If y'all can see, these are the clips. I got these clips off Amazon. What else? It's like a set, kind of. y'all back. I don't know if y'all can see, y'all should be able to see, but I got all the things inside both sides, and I got the bottom screwed on, so all of that's actually really good now. Cause it's been on for about a week now, and I got it on. So now, I'm finna work all the way to getting this lip on. So far as the lip goes, I think what you're supposed to do is pop these sides off, and then stick the lip on the inside and pop those back on. So now, let's try and get into it, y'all. That's it, y'all. End of the video. Peace.
Now what are you doing?
I need to get that tight in there. Almost got it. Ah! Now the rest should be peanut butter and jelly.
Peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly. What are you doing now?
I'm finna make sure I get the bottom lined up right too. Grab that side and take it out. Like pull that side.
Yes, let's go. Wait, what am I doing?
Grab it. It look good. Okay, this side is gonna be hard to stand up though for right now because I don't got nothing there yet.
Just step on the key.
I started pulling out some wires at first. I got scared, no bullshit. One more little piece right there. This one up here. Now we good. This side, I should better fit this in there for real. No.
I'm just kidding.
You probably stop it for a second, actually.
Okay.
So basically, I took this screw off, and now I'm just tightening it back up so I can finish putting this whole assembly back on. I come a color cramp in the hand.
No, I get those cramps every time I'm doing nails.
I'm not feeling how it was before. No. We're gonna start touch everything. It'll be fine. Hopefully. Now, you just gotta align the bottom pieces with it so that everything goes into the slot it's supposed to go in. Like this, I hope. I need to check every single one. Oh shit. Now I'm just gonna grab these little pins that I got with it and stick those little pins back where they belong. Okay. How many pins like suck though? Like suck.
Is this supposed to be aligning?
Huh? I know the pin's supposed to go through both of these and go through the body. It's just that I'm trying to figure it out as I go too.
But yeah, back to what I was saying, he let a bag go loose.
The bag go loose.
Let's see if we can get into what he's doing.
I need two more. I need one more. One more for right here and one more for down here.
Okay. Here. Hurry, the bag's about to blow away. Gotta get it.
You're not gonna put one in the middle?
Right here?
Okay.
I'm talking about finish it.
I'm his. I don't know. And somehow a bag blew away. Evan put the bag. I told him not to put it there because I told him it was gonna blow away. Accidentally. This is the last one you need?
No.
Okay, back to what I was saying. He did these ones. No, wait. He did that one. Technically, I really did it.
Hell no.
Oh, yes, I did. And then over here. Yep, he did that one right there. Or really neat, though.
As y'all can see, we just finished it. The whole piece is on now. I got everything clipped on the bottom and on the sides. The alignment was kind of messed up on the sides, but I did put this screw in it and it fixed it. I'm gonna buy a black one and put the black one in. But this is the finished product right now. This is how the car sits as of right now. Far as since we got it back, we got a different hood on it, a different bumper. We got LED lights on the headlights and in the grill, and then we got a whip on the car.
It kind of looks pink on the camera. Go back to blue. Yep.